Thank you for considering and trusting Credit Solution Programs as your credit education and credit score improvement organization. We will not share your information with anyone without your written permission, and we take security to protect your information very seriously. Credit score and report improvements are about exercising consumer credit rights under state and federal laws. As you may or may not know, from employment, renting a house or apartment, to buying a vehicle or that dream home, credit affects many aspects of life. With us, you don't pay anything until negative information has been removed from your credit file by one or more of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. For basic defaulted accounts such as medical, phone, or cable services, we charge $50 per account per credit bureau. For defaulted revolving accounts such as credit cards, we charge $50 per account per credit bureau. For defaulted rental accounts and judgments, we charge $150 per account per credit bureau. For defaulted auto accounts and bankruptcies, we charge $200 per account per credit bureau. And for defaulted mortgages, we charge $250 per account per credit bureau. Once a defaulted item has been deleted or a negative mark has been corrected, we will send you an itemized invoice via text, email, and postal mail. If you have other existing defaulted accounts after payment, we will continue to challenge the defaulted items that may be inaccurate, unverifiable, incomplete, or may have violated your consumer credit rights. To get started, answer a few simple questions to ensure that you qualify and then complete the steps afterward. We look forward to assisting with improving your credit status.